tiny little video today. This is the upper bearing for the steering shaft, and I went to reassemble only to discover that I was missing one of those balls. As I mentioned before, this whole thing came apart and I had just a big bunch of bearings, and sure enough, some were missed. You can buy this whole bearing assembly, or if all your bearings are in pretty good shape and you just need to replace a ball, you can get something like that on eBay for about $5. Just take your dial caliper and measure the size, and there you go. If you need some, I've got 149 left.